Hi everybody and welcome to my new channel, and this is my first video in which I would like to tell you how to print the patterns correctly, which printer settings you should use, and then how do you put the pattern pieces together so you can glue them together and then cut them out and start working on your project. Watch on. First, I would recommend you to get Adobe Acrobat Reader from Adobe website. It's free and you can use it to open and print my patterns. Open the pattern in the Adobe Acrobat Reader and let's check your settings. The page setup lets you check out if you're using the red paper format, whether it's US letter or A4. It would be A4 in my case. Then the common problem that people sometimes have, and they ask me questions like why I can't print the stuff is trimmed. So this happens because of this. If the orientation is set to portrait, then somehow, for some unknown reason, everything moves to the upper left corner of the sheet of paper. So if you have this problem that left side and top side of your pattern is trimmed, then you need to check if your orientation is set to portrait. Set it to auto. Then here we check in is either custom scale 100% or actual size. It doesn't matter, it's the same. Another problem that I've seen a few times is when the printer does not print the curves correctly. Then it looks like this. And what you can do about it is you go to advanced settings and print as image. This is an option that might fix the problem. Now that you have printed the pattern, all the pattern pieces, then you have to pay attention to those little scissors and the squares. They are on each side of each sheet. Maybe the A sheets do not have them on the left side, but then you don't really need them. So you just need to align them this way and glue them together with the masking tape. I hope this video was helpful, and now it's going to help you avoid the most common problems with printing, and then you're going to have fun working on your project.